Good morning, bhai. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Voice Vastunda, once check. Zoom, you can adjust. Check once, voice coming. Once check, audio, video clear. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, bhai. How's the life going? Chilling, enjoying? Hi, hello. Bagunara. You asked Dekid sir about the function? Yeah. So what did he say? So he told, yes, you are attending the live class, Farooq. Secret of you. That's why I removed the quote. He would have told you outdated data. Now I am on dieting. I don't need quote anymore. Clear, why? But again, he will go to the function of x. His integration has limits, but probably he does not. Chaliye bhai. Twarga, we have to discuss the questions we have given in the last class. Already class started. I'm not going to wait for more number of people to join. Whosoever joined, they can listen. Remaining people, they can see the video later. Chaliye, so shall we start? Because today we have to do minus log also, right? Done? Let's start. So 2.4 10 power minus 5 plus 0.4 10 power minus 4. The answer of this question we wanted. So I can take 10 power minus 5 common. So I will get here 2.4 plus 0.4 into 10. That is 4. So 4 plus 2.4 is 6.4 10 power minus 5. So this is coming second option. Check bhai. When I gave this question yesterday, option 3 came for many people. I don't know why. Check once. Is this the answer? Check once, everyone. This answer matched. Quickly give a yes. If matched, quickly give a yes. Done? Are done, bhai? Badhiya. Next, 4.6 10 power minus 10, 7.2 10 power minus 8. I am taking 10 power minus 10 common. So this will come 4.6 plus 7.2 into 100 will come. Method I have told in the last class already. So 10 power minus 10, 4.6 plus 7 to 0. So 724.6 into 10 power minus 10. 724.6 10 power minus 8, wrong. 118, wrong. 72.46 10 power minus 10, wrong. This is coming none of these. Once check. Check by check. Options will not see. When I remember when I was in class 10th and I moved to junior inter, and I came to know that AI triple E, that is JEE Main and JEE Advanced, they are objective examination. My first instinct was objective will be easy. Options I will have that will make my job easier. Na? Subjective will be difficult. But maturity is understanding that scoring in the objective is much more difficult than subjective. That's why board percentages will be higher. Step-wise marking will be there. Little bit also you will know some marks you will get for it. Objective options will create confusion. Then bhaiya, how to do it within seconds? You should have practiced and come na bhaiya. Last class questions given. I told you practice, practice, practice. You did not. You just watched the lecture yesterday. Dekho, you watched the whole IPL. Ab kya next year you will play like Virat Kohli kya? Without practicing. So saying is very easy, sir, I want selection, but then working for it on everyday basis, these 10 questions you were supposed to do, those questions given in the class, you are supposed to practice one more time, again and again and again you will do, then automatically by practice will become good in that. You did not even learn how to walk before the age of around 2 years, roughly 1.5 years. Now you are able to run easily, walk easily with practice. Same thing, 1.5 year kid might be thinking, ki how are they able to walk easily, run easily? I'm not able to stand also. It's all practice, bhai. Then, bhaiya, if some magical potion was there, I would have distributed that to every one of you. Unfortunately, there is no substitute to the hard work. Then, bhai, to make sure, practice well. If you want some other black magic or something, that I don't know, beta. I'm really very sorry. I don't know about much of the black magic part. In English, we call it occult practices also. I just know one thing, core academics. The more you practice, the better you become. Next, 74 10 power minus 3 plus 4.6 10 power minus 9. So if you solve it mathematically, I will take 10 power minus 3 common, let us say. So I will get here 74 plus 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 and 3 minus 6. So it is 74.00000046, something like that, 10 power minus 3. So around 74 into 10 power minus 3 only after rounding off. Check once. Now the interesting thing here is that 10 power minus 3 and 10 power minus 9, they are significantly different. 10 power minus 3 and 10 power minus 9 is differing by 1 lakh times. 1 lakh is this, 10 power 6. And the difference in minus 3 and minus 9 power is 1 lakh times. So whenever difference of power is 2 or more in addition and subtraction, you can neglect lower value. Don't neglect in the multiplication division, but in the addition subtraction, you can neglect the lower value. So faster answer will come. Clear, bhai? Let's see if any other example is like that. No, only one example was like that. If exactly you want to solve that, that is how you can solve it. Same thing we will teach you in the ionic equilibrium also. In ionic, we have to use this approximation a lot. And by this approximation, only the answer would easily come. Then, bhaiya, I am very good. Just I will discuss these questions. After that, we can talk. 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 6. I will take 10 power minus 5 common. 6.4 plus 2.1. 10 power minus 1 will come. So 0.21 will come. So this will come 6.61 10 power minus 5. That is the answer of the second question. This was first. This is second. Third. Below here only I am solving the third one. Space is there. 10 power 3 I am taking common. 7 plus 8. 10 power 3 I will divide. Minus 1 will come to 0.8. So answer is 7.8. 10 power 3. Practice it well. No one is going to practice for you to make you better in the topic, bhai. You need to practice. Those who are saying, no, sir, one more time, sir, 2 more times, sir. You have understood already hundreds of times now. But you have never done a single question all by yourself properly. There we need practice, bhai. Shortcut not there. You will have to practice. Here 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 I have taken common. 6.2 plus 7.2, 13.4. Here 10 power 7 I am taking common. So I will get here 5.668 plus 6.2. 10 power 6 upon 10 power 7 will be 10 power minus 1, that is 0.62. So if I add that, so I will get here 8, 8, 12, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 6.288 into 10 power 7. Check this question, question number 9. Check the question number 9, bhai. Yeah, 62.88 10 power 6 can also work. 62.88 10 power 6 is also correct. 6.288 10 power 7 is also correct. Check, bhai. Check, 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 check. Done. 13.4 10 power minus 3. Which one? Acha, that one. Correct. Correct up to here. Hopefully practice you people have done. Next question number 10 I am discussing. 6.626 10 power minus 34 into 3 10 power 8 by 400 10 power minus 9. This I will solve in a proper slide. Hopefully all this you have done. Anytime you can go back and check in the video. Coming to this question now, 6.626 10 power minus 34 into 3 10 power 8 upon 400 10 power minus 9. So what I will do, I will take 6.626 3 and 4 into 100 like this together. What I will get here, 10 power minus 34, 10 power 8 upon 10 power minus 9. Agree? All the 10 powers I am taking on one side. Not only that, this 100 is also 10 power 2 I can put here. So all the numbers I have taken together for easy calculation, and all the powers of 10 I have taken together for easy calculation. Now what I will do, 6.626 into 3, roughly, I can take it 6.63 like that. So 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 18 and 1, 19. 19.89 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 34. Minus 8 will go up, will become plus 8. Sorry, minus 9. Minus 9 is there. Minus 9 goes up, become plus 9. Plus 9 plus 8 will be 17. So plus 17. And this plus 2 will go up and become minus 2. So भैया minus 34 plus 17. So minus 34 plus 17 will be minus 17. Correct? Minus 34 plus 17. You know how to do this? Minus 34 plus 17. We can simply, minus plus means minus you will do. You will get the answer 17. Larger number 34, it has a negative sign. So our answer should also have negative sign. So those who don't know elementary mathematics of class LKG, UKG, they can also see this. So minus 17 minus 2 minus 19 came. And this is around 20 I am taking. 19.89, 19.9, around 20. And 4 5s are 20. So 5 into 10 power minus 19 coming. Check this by 4.96 correct. Approximately 5. But power of 10 you check once here. 19 coming or 20 coming. Because one 19 came, one 20 came in the options. Once check. Chaturya once you check. Niharika once you also check. Which one is actually coming? And I will also check once. So minus 34. So here minus 9, minus 7, 7 will go up, 8, 15, 15, 34, 19. 19 only coming bhaiya. This is official account of AIMS Delhi. हाँ बिल्कुल. हाँ हाँ. 100%. ठीक है भाई. This is also official account of Royal Challengers Bangalore. We are just giving part-time coaching after winning the IPL to the NEET aspirants. I hope you are enjoying that. Official to official. हाँ भैया. Check everyone. Check by check. Any problem, samasya, pida? I can test you if you have doubt. ठीक है. So 2023 batch ना? 23 रुक जाओ. Which is going on 25, 24, 23. बताओ. Out of your 2019 final year batch, 19 batch will be there na? Right now they are in the college or 19 batch gone? 20 batch चलो, 21 batch. 21 batch ले लेते हैं. Then by one of your senior got a fracture in the right leg. He had the all India rank in double digit from Andhra Pradesh. He had to skip classes for 6 months. What was his name? It's still the same name. What is his name? Meanwhile, remaining people focus. Oh my God, correct. ये तो correct answer है यार. This is actually correct. Oh no, but no, this cannot be the official account. I will have to check one more time. No, correct. Kota Mankit is actually correct. Chalo, one more I will ask. 2023 batch, what was the last open category rank that entered into AIIMS Delhi? Oh, bhai saab. Chalo, data to correct only. Ruko, ruko, ruko. I will tell you one more. In the last NEET was conducted, only NEET, from 2000, I think 19 or 20. Let me check. 20. Which was the first student, AIR 1 of that year, which entered only through NEET in the AIIMS Delhi. At that time, separate AIIMS exam was not there. Who got one FIR, not FIR, but complaint was there due to some skit being there at that time, which got too much limelight. I should have called Anurag sir. Yeah, 2-3 geology doubts he will ask. This is too tough. We are 23 batch. अरे यार चलो 23 batch क्या? चलो ठीक है. I'll ask. अच्छा 1 second. You are AIIMS Delhi 2023 batch ना? AIIMS Delhi 2023 batch. So I'll ask you some good chemistry questions. Ready? Great. This is interesting. हाँ भैया. Remaining people also ready. Let's see. Oh my God. This is going to be little interesting. So, in proteins, I'll ask you a question which you cannot say is a biochemist. Biochemistry, the first year it was there. Yeah. So in proteins, which amino acid is present mostly at junction or bends? For example, a protein has this kind of a structure, for example. So mostly in these kind of bends, which amino acid is present? Means which amino acid is mostly present in this? Generally that amino acid is not found here or here or here. It is mostly found in these bends. Oy hoy, correct. Arey yaar. I want to trust. Acha, who is the admin? Easiest question. Who is the admin right now? Who is the admin? Correct answer. Proline correct. Who is the admin? If it is true, it is a very pleasant surprise, but it is AIIMS Delhi of Arey yaar. Now to theek hai. Now okay, now understood. Name to also will be there, na? Official spokesperson name is also not there kya? But answers are correct. And these are the answers not found in Google. So little, I know it is not true, but the answers are very believable. Gosalites chemistry faculties are coming kya? But nahi, they will also not know about the student name. Kota Venkat, they will not know. Chalo, no problem. I'll discuss a few more questions. After that, I will check the account. ठीक है भाई? चलिए, त्वरगा once. Yeah, last one left. This photograph was left. After that, log minus anti-log we are going to check. चलिए, these questions have you done, भाई? These questions have you done? Lakshmi Pravardhan Reddy. अरे ना. If Pravardhan has to come, he will come by his own ID, na bhai? 7.2 10 power minus 3 is equals to 720 10 power x. Done, bhaiya? Now, if I'm shifting decimal places 2 places on the right side, what will happen to the power plus or minus? What will happen to the power right side? Left side plus, right side minus. So 720, shifting 2 on the right side, power will be 2 minus, because 2 decimal places I am shifting. So minus 5 will be the power. Here this will cancel 2 times. So this will be coming 2 into 10 to the power 3. 3 only coming, yeah. So this also second option. Check bhai. Done. Where is the code to hide? There is nothing to hide anymore. Clear bhai? Nothing to hide. Power of consistency. Clear bhai? Chaliye, moving on. Done. So now we are ready to enter into our mathematical part, log and anti-log for PH, POH, pKa, pKb, pKw. For all these PH, POH, pKa, pKb, all those things. I know your answers are very convincing, but I will check the ID, don't worry. Chaliye, so PH, POH, pKa, pKb, pKw. Done bhaiya? Now, for these, you have to know the values of log. So log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5, log 6, log 7, log 8, log 9, and log 10. This log value you should be knowing, bhai. So here if I take the perfect squares, who are the perfect squares here? 4 and 9. Log 4 and log 9, the perfect squares, they will be little bit different. But for remaining all, one shortcut you can use. Firstly, log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, log 4 is log 2 power 2. Log 2 power 2. Now how to know log 2 power 2 is very simple. Log x power y will be y log x. Rule number 1. Log x power y is y log x. Log a into b is log a plus log b. And log a by b is log a minus log b. These 3 log properties are more than enough. Log x power y is y log x. So log 2 power 2 is 2 log 2. Log 2 is 0.3. Log 2 is 0.3010. 2 times of that will be 0.6020. Log 5, 0.699. Log 6. Log 6 will be log 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Log 2 into 3. And log a into b is log a plus log b. Log 2 plus log 3. Log 3 0.477, 0.48. Log 2 0.30. So 0.48 plus 0.30 will be around 0.78. Log 7 0.845. So I'm rounding off 0.85 roughly for 2 decimal places. Log 8 is log 2 power 3, that is 3 log 2. Log 2 0.3. So 3 log 2 will be 0.9. Log 9. Log 9 will be 3 square. Log 9 3 square means 2 log 3. So 3 square 2 log 3 y. Log x power y is y log x. So log 3 square will be 2 log 3 and 2 log 3. Log 3 is 0.4771, 0.48 roughly. 2 times of that 0.96 and log 10 is 1. These are the values of log 1 to log 10. Firstly note down, then slowly one by one I will cover all of them. Trick also I will tell you how to remember it in case you don't remember up to 3-4 digit. One short trick I will tell you how to remember approximately. Approximate only, exact answer will not come. Exact answer will come by remembering it. Done by which are compulsory to remember, I will tell you first. Log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7. These are compulsory to remember. Only 2, 3, 5, 7. These are compulsory to remember. Twarga note down once. Quickly note down once, bhai. Then I will tell you one more time how to find these log values. Noted. बढ़िया. हाँ, क्वेश्चन आई विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चन, डोंट वरी, लेट मी कंप्लीट दिस फर्स्ट. चलिए भैया, डन. नाउ वन मोर टाइम, सी केयरफुली. log 2 was 0.3 something. Can you see? Log 2 is 0.3 something. Log 3 is 0.4 something. Getting? 2 is 0.3 something, 3 is 0.4 something. Log 5 is 0.6 something, which is very close to 0.7, but still 0.6 something. Log 6 is 0.7 something. Are you getting the shortcut? Only for one decimal place this shortcut will work. Exact answer will not come, but if you are really very low duffer, those who don't want to remember anything, at least this much you can remember. You should not be in this condition that you have to mug up this only. Preferably you should remember 2, 3, 5 and 7 log values. But in case you can't remember that much also, at least remember 6 is 0.7 something. Log 7 is 0.8 something. Log 8 is 0.9 something. This will not work for log 4 and log 9 because log 9 will come 0.9 something only and log 4 will come 0.6, not 0.5. But for remaining all, one higher number after the decimal will come. Then bhaiya, sir, is log 9 correct? Huh, 0.95 should come. I have written 0.96. It should come 0.95 something, but I'm rounding off for faster calculation. Done? Now, once slowly. How to find log 9? For example, 9, someone is asking, 9 also I will solve one more time. Log 9. So 9, what I have mugged up? I have mugged up 2, 3, 5 and 7. These log values I have mugged up. Clear, bhai? These log values I have mugged up. Using that, log 9 will be 3 square. So 2 log 3 will come. 2 log 3. So 2 into what is log 3? So sir, log 3 is 0.4771. So if you want exact answer, it will come 2, 4, carry 1, 5, 1, 8 and 1, 9. So 0.9542. Check bhaiya. Are you okay with this property of log? Which property of log I used? Log x power y is y log x. That means power will come down. Twarga say, are you comfortable in this basic log data? Then I can tell you how to use this in the ionic equilibrium very fast. Yes? Badhiya. Now, if you want to find pH, it is minus log H plus. POH is minus log OH minus. You don't have to remember this. I'm just telling you which log we are going to study and why. pKa minus log Ka. pKb minus log Kb. So basically P means minus log. So rather than learning log, we have to preferably learn how to find minus log. Because what happens is that we learn the mathematics rules, basic mathematics rules for log. And then we have to apply minus log, and then the problem comes. For that, we will make our own rule. Minus log x into 10 power minus y will be y minus log x. This is our rule for our log. Just like you have seen, d by dx of x power n will be n x power n minus 1. Have you seen differentiation of x power n? So you have a formula for it. In the same way, this is the formula we will use for log x into 10 power minus y. It is y minus log x. For example, if I have minus log 2 into 10 power minus 3 minus log x into 10 power minus y will be y minus log x. And how much is log 2? So log 2 is 0.3. 3 minus 0.3, 2.7. Check one more. Check one more, check one more, check one more, bhai. For example, we have minus log 4 into 10 power minus 7. So this will come out to be minus log x 10 power minus y. So 7 minus log 4. Getting? Minus log 4 10 power minus 7 is 7 minus log 4. That means minus log 4 as it is. This 7 will come down. And minus minus become plus. So 7 minus log 4. So 7 minus log 4 is 0.6. Sir, how log 4 0.6? Bhai, dekho, log 4 is log 2 square. That is 2 log 2. Log 2 0.3. So this is 0.6. So it is 6.4. Twarga say in these two examples any problem is there. Then I will give you 5 examples, you will try. Ready? Quickly say any problem up to here. Quickly say any problem up to here. For learning the anti-log, we have to learn how to find log first. Ready? 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 Anyone have any problem right now? You can ask. I'm waiting for 20 seconds. Great. So you have to find minus log 4 into 10 power minus 6, minus log 5 into 10 power minus 8, minus log 6 into 10 power minus 7, minus log 2 into 10 power minus 4, minus log 8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Solve these questions. So this is, let us say, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Chaliye bhai. Balaji, I understand you have listened to a mathematics teacher who have explained log. But I think you forgot the topic. The topic is basic mathematics for chemistry. What you are saying is okay, correct. And conceptually, I can explain you that also, ki how it came, x power y, how it got converted into log and all, how the base are decided. I'm not even writing base 10. Reason being very simple. Our job is to learn the mathematics of chemistry. Don't deviate from there. You are not MPC student. You are BPC student. Mathematics is your tool. And chemistry, we have to go in depth. So don't deviate from that. But yeah, so let's see. Minus log 4 10 power minus 6 will be 6 minus log 4. 6 minus log 4. Minus log, see everyone, those who are finding difficult, one by one see with a cool mind how I am solving. Minus log 5 into 10 power minus 8 is 8 minus log 5. Minus log 6 into 10 power minus 7 is 7 minus log 6. Minus log 2 into 10 power minus 4 is 4 minus log 2. Minus log 8 into 10 power minus 5 is 5 minus log 8. This much Every single person, is it clear? After that, you should all know just the log values and answer will come. Log 4, 0.6. So 5.4 came. Log 5, 0.6990, around 0.7. Roughly 0.7, roughly. So this will come 8 minus 0.7, 7.3. 7 minus log 6. Remember, log 6, 0.78. So this will be coming 6.28. Acha, some people get 6.38 also. They are very good in mathematics. Maybe some of you also would have got. But yeah, in that case, do subtraction like this. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 6.22, not 28. Clear hai bhai? 6.22, not 28. Do subtraction like this. Done bhaiya, to avoid any silly mistake. 4 minus log 2, 0.3, 3.7. 5 minus log 8, remember log 8, 0.9, so 4.1. Twarga say, these 5 examples are clear kya? Yeah. That is the whole ideology, na? That is the whole ideology. Silly mistake is going to happen when you are overconfident. Silly mistake will never happen in tough question. They will always happen in the easy ones. Clear, bhai? Exactly. Getting by? Exactly. I'm replying to Moy only. Exactly. I also 7 minus 0.8, 0.8. Very common. But you can understand, after getting it, the first instinct came, why didn't I solve this like this? Silly mistake got avoided. Are you getting the point? Because after exam, relatives will say moe. Then it will happen from inside. So have a good habit that even though you confidently feel in the exam, I remember in the exam, once what happened, 4 plus 2 was there. 4 plus 2 in my exam. Very simple question was there, 4 plus 2. And 4 plus 2 came 8 for me. Now, what people say, those who have not written the examinations in their life, and they start giving preaching, this is how you should attempt, that is how you should attempt. Firstly, do in this layer, in that layer, and falana, dhimkana, 3 times, 4 times, then again and again revise. You will get 5 minutes at the last. Kuch nahi. 4 plus 2 was 8 in the first 10 minutes of my paper. I completed my paper half an hour before in that examination. I checked that question at least 3 to 5 times. And every time I was checking, I don't know what the wiring happened in the examination. If you have written many exams, you will realize 4 plus 2 came 8 every time I checked. After exam, you see, oh, once you give the paper, immediately after giving the paper, it will click. But during the examination, if short circuit happened, तो भैया happened. Clear है भाई? Those who have written the examinations, they will realize what I am trying to say. And those who have never attempted competitive examinations in their life, they will give preachings. Okay, firstly, there are 180 questions. First do 90. After doing 90 in 1 hour, you will have 2 hours left. And after this much brain will work in the exam. Kya? When the first question of physics you see, and the diagram comes like this with an angle theta, after that 91 hour mathematics will not work, uncle, in the examination. Once go and write exam yourself and then talk to the student. Oh yeah, you have to firstly attempt that, then attempt this. Kuch nahi, read well, attempt the questions properly, end of story. In the examination, strategies will not work. It is like sports. I know what I have seen. You also might be knowing, those who follow cricket. Whenever the ball is pitching on the crease or on the pitch, go towards the ball, hold your head straight, go to the pitch of the ball. The leg should be pointing to the direction where you want to play the shot and then hit. Elbow should be straight and hold your posture. In real match, when the ball comes, na bhai, shot comes like this only. What you practice, that is what you will do. Done bhai. So this chinna things. My second favorite is this. This kind of division is very important. Sometimes in division, people do so many mistakes and then they regret for 1 year. So make sure that you don't do that. Done bhaiya. Obviously. Done bhaiya. What you practice, if Tendulkar is able to play good cover drive, that is not because he is thinking at that moment, I have to play like this. It is because he has played like that throughout his life in 15-20 years. So now his body, every time 7.8 minus 0.22 will come, my body will ask, bro, when you were in 6th class, this was the mistake you were doing. Again, mistake might be possible. So one more time properly check. My body is telling me. This comes by practice. Mistakes to everyone will do. Done bhaiya. Chaliye. Now, what we are going to see. Let's see how the question will come. For example, H plus concentration is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. Find pH. This kind of a question comes, for instance. So pH will be minus log 2 into 10 power minus 3. Because pH is minus log H plus. H plus given this much. So can you tell me how much is the pH coming? We are now applying the mathematics in our chemistry. How much is the pH coming? Minus log 2 into 10 power minus 3. How much is the pH coming? Three minus log 2. So 3 minus 0.3, 2.7. Correct? Any problem? Easy cheesy. Great. Now I have to teach you. Because this is something. Are you realizing minus log x 10 power minus y is not very difficult? Are you realizing? What we have to learn now. Now comes the real game. Now everyone focus. Next 5 minutes properly. Little bit practice we will do. And after that enjoy. Understand, we have to learn if 2.7 given, how to get this value. We have to learn backward question. What we have to learn? Backward question. Clear hai bhai? Shahid, it will not happen. Why it will not happen? I will tell you after completion of the lecture. Then bhai, Ames Delhi, I was waiting you are present or not present. One doubt I have. If H plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 8 molar, can you tell me the pH? Let us see. Ames Delhi 2023. 10 to the power minus 8 molar is H plus concentration. You have to tell the pH. Others can also try, no problem. Everyone can try. Scientially, you can also try. Chat GPT you are searching kya? Then you are actual Ames Delhi student. Slightly less than 7, 7, 7, 6.9, 6.9, 6.987. Very interesting. Now remaining people who are not answering, can you see the chat box once for the answer? What the answers are coming? Very interestingly, you are knowing ionic. Very interestingly, you are knowing ionic. Na sir, wait kar. After I tell you the answer, LC sir will come himself and slap you. ठीक है भाई. So the answer is 8. Answer is 8. Sir, but something else we have read. Correct. You are answering some other question. The question you are answering is this: if HCl concentration is 10 to the power minus 8 molar, then the pH will be 6.999 something, very close to 7, because acid there, but very dilute there, etc., etc. Nicely mugged up. I appreciate your mugging. But I did not give you this is the concentration of HCl. I said this is the concentration of H plus, the whole H plus, including water, including any acid there, any base there, any salt there, whatsoever there. After adding all the H plus, this is my final H plus. So pH is 8. Now understand, those who have never read ionic equilibrium and just attended today's lecture, they will get it correct, because they did not mug up. But then there are people who are overconfident of what they have mugged up, and they are expecting same question NEET asking, because everyone will ask that. Kyun bhaiya everyone will ask that? Why everyone will ask the question you have mugged up? And remaining who got excited, I was asking to check AIMS Delhi. After 1 year you will be in that scenario where you will understand this. Clear hai bhaiya? See, tough questions are not those which are difficult for the teacher to explain. Tough questions are those which no one have to explain, and then you don't expect them in the examination, and suddenly they will come. Ki Dalton's law is not applicable for what? Elementary thing. Given in the NCERT, stoichiometry 50 million questions you will do. Clear hai bhaiya? I know. But just that, now I will get some peace of mind to teach the topic, because some of you were little bit overexcited by saying, sir, this thing though I know. I know you know, probably some of you, but I can't assume that you know everything. Viliginda, shall we continue? Shall we continue? Now understand. Now everyone came back to ground level. After answering 5 lollipop questions, whichever the 7th heaven you reached, are you back down to ground level, bhai? Can we do our chinna studies? All basic concepts. Shall we do? Yes? Chaliye bhai. No problem. चलिए भाई, once you can adjust the zoom. हाँ जी, now I think video is was buffering for everyone. Now normal came. ASP is saying that maybe AIMS Delhi people have answered intentionally wrong. That is the power of the name of a brand. I know they have answered wrong because they thought that was the correct answer. They searched the answer here and there, and then they got that answer, because Google will give you that answer. But see how much trust you have on the brand. Chaliye bhai. So shall we continue? So we are learning how to find 2.7 given how to find the H plus. So listen carefully bhai. If the pH is 2.7, listen carefully. If the pH is 2.7, how to find H plus concentration? So fundamental idea is I have to convert this number into, if it is minus log x into 10 power minus y, it is y minus log x na. I want to convert this number into y minus log x form. Listen very carefully bhai. The video is not buffering anymore, I think. Varsha, are you giving the answer? Varsha, are you really giving the answer of this question? Varsha. चलिए भैया, So what you will do, everyone listen carefully. 2.7, choose kya? There is just one number above 2.7. Which is that number? Whole number above 2.7? 3. 3 minus what is 2.7? Twarga say. 3 minus what is 2.7? 3 minus what is 2.7? 3 minus what is 2.7? Just a larger number. 3 minus 0.3. Perfect. Achha, when I teach this question, the first doubt I get from some of the student is, I know some of you will be surprised, how can this be a doubt? But then genuinely I get the doubt. Sir, how you came to know, how you came to know कि 0.3 will come? अब यार, this much तो you should know, bhai. कि 2.7 if you want, so from 3, what you should subtract to get 2.7. So 3 minus 0.3. Now tell me, 3 minus 0.3, can I say 3 minus, what is 0.3? Log 2. 0.3 is log 2. So the H plus concentration will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is how you will find. ASP, that is surprising for me also. But right now, you really think we should worry about that, or should we worry about this question? Done, bhaiya? 3 minus log 2. So 2 10 power minus 3. Now 2-3 times I will solve this thing. Everyone carefully see. After 2-3 times you will see me solving it. You will automatically understand. Ready? Now I am going to solve different pH values. I will solve 4.3. I will solve 7.7. I will solve 2.4. I will solve 7.15. Let's solve these one by one. So now you can try. Those who understood the method or those who are old Gosalite people, you can try. Remaining people, see carefully. 4.3. Can I say it is 5 minus 0.7? Just a larger number, 5 minus 0.7. Similarly, 7.7, can I say 8 minus 0.3? You cannot say 9 minus 1.3. You have to make sure that you take just one number larger. Like 2.4, you will say 3 minus 0.6. 7.15, you will say 8 minus 0.85. Twarga say, in this form, are you comfortable how to write? Quickly say. Everyone, those who are comfortable, are you comfortable in writing in this form? Quickly say. Yes. Now, I want H plus concentration, answer will come. 0.7 is which log? So sir, 0.7 is around log 5. Log 5 is 0.6990. 0.699 is around 0.7. So this is log 5. So it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. This will go to the power. Similarly, 0.3 is which log? So 0.3 is log 2. 0.3 is log 2. So this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Are you getting the trick? 0.6. So 0.6 is log 4. Log 4 was 0.6020. Log 4. So you will get 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. See how? Yeah. Yeah. Today both classes are in coma mode only here. Today both classes are in the coma mode. चलिए, तो 0.7 what I said, log 5 around, तो 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. 0.3 is around log 2, so 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. 0.6 is around log 4, 0.6, so 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. And 0.85, tell me which log is 0.85? It's not the problem of power. Problem is the batteries we have taken for the inverters. This studio runs on the inverter battery. Suddenly the power cuts also, it runs. Around 7 days back, that battery got completely, like, it became normal. Without battery and with battery, same thing. Now complaint going on. After that, they will put a new battery. That is the problem. Done? Neo Studios. You did not have time to do homework 2 days back, but you have time for chit-chatting right now. Better time pass, stop and focus here. Sincere people can do time pass, first day I said. But if homework time you did not have, and after that I can see drama like this, I cannot tolerate this stupidity. Come back. Hanji bhai, 0.85 is which log? That you are not able to answer, Neo Studios, and that is more important. Others are answering that, they are idiots. You are the more studious person now. Kya WhatsApp family group is there that you are posting the messages? Hanji, answer bol. 0.85 is which log? Search your notes, Neo Studios. Remaining people, correct answer hai bhai, log 7. Log 7. Done bhaiya? Log 7. So it is 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Say bhai, is the basic method clear to everyone? Is the basic method clear to everyone? Even shorter method is also there. Within 1 second also answer will come. I will tell you that before leaving the class. In the last 10 minutes, I will tell you one method. Within 1 second answer will come. This much also not required to do. But for that to reach there, we need practice. So ready? Ready? Can I give you some questions now? Can I give you some questions now? Great. So now pH is 7.7. You have to find H plus concentrations in number 1. Number 2, pH is given, let us say, which one left? Next, chaliye, start. Twarga. First one, people are saying 2 10 power minus 8. Let us check. So 7.7 will be 8 minus 0.3. 0.3 is log 2. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Yes, correct answer. Second one I want now. First, second one. 7.52. 7.52. So sir, 7.52 will be 8 minus 0. Now 8 minus 7.52 is how much? 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 5, 4, 0.48. So 8 minus 0.48 should be 7.52. 0.48, what is the nearest log? Log 1, 0, log 2, 0.3, log 3, 0.4 something. So this nearest should be log 3, 0.4771. So this will come 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Done? Badhiya. 2.22 is 3 minus, again what I will do, 3.00 minus 2.22, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, so 0.78. Yeah, 0.78 is which log? So sir, 0.78 will be log 6. Log 6 is around 0.78. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. Last one. Last one. Twarga, last one. ASP, answer this question. Clear, bhai? Because in one click you will be blocked from the whole YouTube. Then remaining lectures you will not be able to attend if that is your purpose. Otherwise, involve in the class. Class going on, again real zone came. Little bit relaxation given to you. Drama started already. Abhi yesterday, 2 days back, only result you might have seen. How you felt at that time, you forgot in one day. Chaliye, class going on, but what time pass going on for these people? 9 minus 0.9. Tell me 0.9 is nearest to which log? 0.9 is nearest to which log? 0.9. So sir, 0.9 log 8. Because the trick you told us, according to that, if we go to log 8, nearest value will be 0.9. So this will come 8 into 10 power minus 9. Say bhai, clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Done? Clear? Clear, bhai? Now, who are still facing the problem? Give me a yes. Who are still facing the problem in doing this? Give me a yes. Then I'll give you some more example. Otherwise, I will tell you the shorter trick than this also. If you're comfortable, then only I can tell you the shorter trick. Firstly, we have to understand the basic, then trick, then basic of the trick, then again trick, and then the fastest one we will reach. Sheikh Karim Basha, are you facing the problem? Sheikh Karim Basha, problem coming, problem? Sheikh Karim Basha, yes, chalo, let's see what the problem is coming. Sheikh Karim Basha, bata, if I take 5.3, write something minus something, type and send. 5.3 will be what something minus something? Turga, Sheikh Karim Basha, I have to represent this as something minus something. So 5.3, how will I write? Turga. 6 minus 5.3. Once do the math. Take one calculator in your hand and do 6 minus 5.3 once. How much comes? What is 6 minus 5.3? Hanish, wait. Wait. Understood? In the beginning I said, na, the only doubt I get is, sir, how you got 0.7? After teaching for 13 years, 14 years at least, in the NEET division, this much I will understand na, ki fundamental problem is math. And not of the math we are teaching, even below that level. What is 6 minus 5.3, uncle? It is 0.7. You have to get 5.3. How you will get 5.3? 5.3 will be 6 minus what? So your problem is here. After that is still easy, because after that the log is there that we have discussed. Your problem is here. And why your problem is here? Because when I'm solving like this, na, you are thinking I'm solving for myself. Sheikh Karim Basha, beta, for people like you only I'm solving here, who are mathematically finding problem in solving elementary addition subtraction. You have to learn this way. Clear, bhai? And this is only what you are not listening carefully. Your attention is here. Your attention should be here. That's the only doubt I said in the beginning will come. People will not understand. At that time, I was saying in a funny manner, ki this doubt they will ask. But now see, last 15-20 minutes got wasted. When you come to offline also and when you attend remaining classes also, once a teacher say this can be the problem, write it down somewhere and focus on that. Problem will be solved. Ab bata, 0.7. 0.7 is log 5. So what I will do, I will write 5 here into 10 to the power minus 6. Now understood or not? This part is going to be easier. This part will not be a problem. If your fundamental problem is coming, it is because of mathematics of class around second or third, wherever you learned subtraction and addition. Clear, bhai? Once practice that, problem will be solved. Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Shall we move on? Chaliye, tell me now, pH, again we are coming to 2.7. When I said pH 2.7, when I said pH 2.7, 2.7 pH I have written as 3 minus 0.3, agreed? 3 minus 0.3 I have written. Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's write it 5.7. So 5.7 I will write 6 minus 0.3. Let's take a new example so that Basha will also get a practice. 6 minus 0.3. 0.3 is which log? So 0.3 is log 2. And 10 to the power minus 6 is coming here. Say, bhai, clear or not? Yes. Done? This much clear or not clear, bhai? So do you agree that if this number is 5, the power here will be minus 6? If this number is 8, power here will be minus 9. If the number, this number before the decimal is 2, the power will be minus 3. 7, power will be minus 8. 7, power will be minus 8. Objective options make our question difficult. Our job is to find the loophole. In 4 options, if just by checking power my answer would be coming, why will I even do this? Sir, what do you mean? I mean this. pH I am giving you 7.68. The H plus concentration is nearest to option 1, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Option 2, 8 into 10 to the power minus 7. Option 3, 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Option 4, 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. Because paper setter is not thinking in that manner. Paper setter is not thinking that this tricks you are developing. Paper setter is simply asking you question, thinking that you will try to trace back. Now, exact procedure is okay. 8 minus 0. What? Sheikh Basha, check kar. 8, I will subtract 7.68. I will get here 2, here 3, 0.32. So I will subtract here 8 minus 0.32. 0.32 will be log 2 point something. Sir, why log 2 point something? Because log 2 is 0.3. So log 2 point something will be more than 0.3. I want little more than 0.3. So log 2 point something into 10 to the power minus 8. That's the exact procedure. But these numbers are not that much important. What is more important are the power first. Power. And if you are having 7 here, so your nearest answer should have the power minus 8. Say bhai, I think everyone got the correct answer, but just those who did not listen carefully, for them I wanted to repeat. Are you able to follow what I'm trying to say? One more question like this you can see. POH of a solution is 7.65. Find the concentration of OH minus ions in the solution. Options are 7 into 10 to the power minus 7, 2 into 10 power minus 14, 10 power minus 14, 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. You have to tell the nearest answer. So again same, if you are having 7 here, then the power should be minus 8. Now I know some low IQ people who are not listening carefully, but they are overconfident. They will ask, sir, if there are two options, having 10 power minus 8, then what we will do? So in last 1 hour, I taught you this only. I am saying you have to prepare that first. After that, you have to understand that every time power same, they will not give you. Why they will not give you? Understand. If I say 10 power minus 8, 2 10 power minus 8 is one option, and 4 10 power minus 8 is the other option. Clear, bhai? They are very close. How very close? This is 0.000000002. This is 0.0000004. Sir, how they are very close? Check the other option. This is 0.0000007. This is 10 times more. 10 times. This is 6 times less. This is 6 times, not 6, sorry. This is 10 times more. This is 10 to the power 1 lakh times less. This is also 1 lakh, because you can see power of 10. For example, I say, what's the difference in 2 and 4? What's the difference in 2 and 4? Only double. But what is the difference in 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 4? If I take the ratio, this will be 1 by 100. 100 times difference. 2 by 4, difference is just 1 by 2. Half. You got 2 marks, I got 4 marks, just nearby, 2 and 4. But if you got 2 and I got 200, there is a chala difference. So what matter more? Who has more power? Power. Who has more power? Power. So most of the questions of the objective examinations, their answers will come by power only. If they want exact answer, they will give you the value of log. If they are not giving you value of log, they will give you approximate answer. In that case, this trick will always work. Is the story clear? In case this kind of a doubt was there in your heart. I think clear. After that, remaining is formality. pH is 5.7, H plus is closest to option 1, 4 into 10 power minus 3, 2 into 10 power minus 5, 2 into 10 power minus 6, 2 into 10 power minus 7. Hanji, first. pH 5.7. So sir, 5.7 hai. So power minus 6 will be the closest one. There is no other minus 6. I will take the third option. If there are 2-3 people, which are at 10 power minus 6, if there are 2 or 3 people at 10 power minus 6, then obviously you have to solve in the longer manner. 6 minus 0.3. 0.3 is log 2. 10 power minus 6. Say bhai. Sir, you are more intelligent than AIMS Delhi people. Crack hai kya? If anyone got All India rank 50 in any examination, clear bhai, will always be more intelligent. Done bhaiya. My state rank was 216 bhaiya in my time. Subject, some people can know, like chemistry, some people can know more, some can know less. But intelligence, pressure handling, all those things, those who clear the exam, and then they work for 1-2 years hard and then they reach there. There is no comparison. Clear, bhai? In life, some people can do better because of luck and all those things also. But talent to talent hai na bhaiya. Done? Chaliye, coming here. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear up to here? Twarga say, is properly this thing clear or not clear, the shortcut? Now I think, Basha bhai. Basha, clear bhai? Now I don't think you need basic mathematics also. Quickly answer will come. But if I give you this trick first, then I will not be able to teach you all these things, na yaar. Because then you will not listen. You will say, sir, my answer to coming na, sir. Why should I do all this thing? Bhai, basics are basics. Don't skip them. Then bhai, I know this trick is so goated. I said na in the last class, within 1 second answer will come. The trick is so goated that even other tricks are appearing long methods. But understand, fundamental replacement is not, there is no replacement to fundamentals. Fundamental should be clear. Ki why we are writing with minus, because y minus log x will come. Then after that, how we are getting here minus 6. All those things. And if it is clear, little bit they will ask you very close options also, you will be able to solve. But I don't feel, acha, honestly batao, except Neho Studix, anyone else feel there is a need of giving this type of more example kya? Honestly tell, except Neho Studix, whosoever that person is, apart from him or her, anyone else feel there is a need of giving this type of example more? Don't you think this is too much below the level of any homo sapiens of any trade, commerce, arts, science, math, any stream, isn't it? Because something to explain is there, I can give you 10, 20 examples. But for this, I should give you 2 more examples. Just because you were distracted and other people should listen to that, I don't find that logical. So yeah, no. Everything is, something is there to explain, I can take. Ye to matlab clear cut time pass going on. Some people have taken this as Instagram reel. It is not. Chale bhaiya, so shall we carry on? Can you show previous NEET question on this type? We will get confidence. I can show you JEE Main question. JEE Main is better. Better than NEET JEE Main. Will that be okay? Arey sir, we were asking NEET, you are saying JEE Main is even better, sir. I will search the year. In last 2 years only, this model has come. ठीक है भाई? Give me a second. I will search. The year I will search. NCERT solved example is also there of same type. But in that options are not there. So you will not get that feel. ठीक है भाई? Meanwhile, some questions I am giving for you to solve. You can solve. Meanwhile, I will search that question. So that little practice you can get. Solve 7.85, 3.15, sorry, 7.3 कर दो, 3.15 and 1.4. Find the H plus concentrations of all of them. First. Twarga, find the H plus concentrations of all of them. I want exact answer, not only the shortcut trick. I want exact answer. हाँ जी, केम बढ़िया. So how much this comes? I'm giving you the final answer. How much will this come? So this is 0.3. So 0.7. 0.7 means 5 into 10 power minus 8. 0.15 will be 0.85. 0.85 is log 7. 7 into 10 power minus 4. 0.4. 0.4 is 0.6. 0.6 is log 4. 4 into 10 power minus 2. Check. These are clear. These are clear, bhai. Done. तो मैं मोबाइल इंटरनेट तो नॉट वर्किंग. आई विल सर्च हियर ओनली ऑन गूगल. डन भाई. चलो ठीक है. लेट्स सर्च. फाइंड H plus concentration in solution of pH something PYQ. Let's see. Some question should come. Let's say this one came. For instance, what is the answer of this? 3.69 is there. Let's see if option they have given. No. You tell, bhai. Tell, what is the answer? This may or may not be correct. Don't trust it. Never trust Google. Trust your own method. Say, bhai, 3.69. ठीक है, 10 power minus 4, but exact what? Exact also you can find, na? 3.69 is around 3.7. So their answer is correct. Done, bhai. Let me check some MCQ if I get here. This also is theoretical question. Something 10 power minus 5 will be the answer. This searching will take, I think, MCQ searching will take time. This is one question. This one question I remember. This question was having two options which are having same power. Like two options you can eliminate easily. 5.4 means you can eliminate two options. Chacha, we don't want to sign up. Arey, we just want practice question, bro. Arey, yaar. Very irritating. Sarkari Naukri preparation for free. Bhaiya, anyone wants Sarkari Naukri preparation? For free they are giving. But they will not let us solve the question. Let's catch this question before it vanish. Yeah, in this question, for instance, this is also some PYQ. Means because the same question I have seen somewhere. Done, bhaiya. It might be the PYQ of the JEE Main or maybe NEET. Once you can check. 5.4 is there. So 5.4 means 10 power minus 6 has to come. So option number 1 and 2 are wrong. Done, bhaiya. Now here you have to check little more. How? 5.4 will be 6 minus 0.6. 0.6 means log 4. 4 means 3.98, nearest answer. Done, bhai. Done. You can search a little more. You also have internet with you. Don't trust the answer of Google. Questions you can search from Google. Never trust the answer of Google. Clear, bhai? But questions you can search if you want. Find the H plus concentration, pH is given to you, etc., etc. And don't trust the method also. Yaar. Method also they will give you very lengthy. They will give you bookish method, which will not work. Done, bhai? Done? Done? So that's all. I think you are capable of finding the NT, means whenever the ionic equilibrium will come. This should not be a problem now. Only chemistry will be there, which is what we have to teach you at that point of time. This kind of mathematics will be able to handle, correct? There is one NCERT solved example also on the same type. When the topic will come in ionic, we will do that. So hopefully you have learned basic mathematics yesterday and today. Yes, my class for ABC is finished. Yeah, it's very tough to say goodbye, but I'll have to. Okay then, bye. Yeah, we will conduct a meeting, don't worry, to tell you how to, means you will not have to do anything, you have to just download the app. Your phone number will be there, who have taken the admission and all, their phone numbers are there. That phone number automatically will be added, and automatically you will get the notification that class is started, but all those in detail also we will explain you in the meeting. So don't worry. Done, bhai? Done? Could you once please show your watch? I'll show my watch after 1 year, when your good time will come. In the bad time, I don't want to show you the time. Clear hai, bhaiya? Chaliye then. Okay, tata, bye-bye, work well. Don't deviate. Everyone will not strictly bring you back from the chat box. Each person have different personalities. But understand, bhai, it is very important for you to remain focused. Done, bhaiya? This year should not be wasted for even a single second. Do your best. Guarantee result will come. Make your parents happy. Make your parents proud. Become inspiration for your neighbors, become inspiration for your brothers and sisters, become inspiration for your future family. Live a life of glory, not a life of mediocrity by typing behind some keyboard. Have a great life, but for that, right now, this year, grind a lot. All the very best. Tata, bye-bye. Same classes will happen tomorrow. You will get, tomorrow onwards, all the 4 different faculties will come. Manish sir will come. LC sir will come, Tawfiq sir will come, then who's left? Amit sir will come. 2 physics, 2 chemistry, same kind of schedule, but different faculties will come. Okay then, tata, bye-bye. Hasta la vista, work well.